Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with the daily Bitcoin analysis for April 1st. Yesterday, Bitcoin ended its monthly candle as a bearish pin bar candle. Bitcoin's price, after growing about 2% from the start of the month, closed at around $68,400. In this time frame,
learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
we can see that for Bitcoin's long-term movement, we've drawn an ascending channel, and currently the price is trading near this channel support line and the OTE zone of the Fibonacci levels. Now we're looking at the daily time frame. We saw that the price dropped last weekend and reached the daily order block zone at $65,000. Then it reacted to this range and bounced back up from this level. This price growth happened as we saw increased risk appetite in financial markets with optimism about the war ending. In this regard, the price has grown by about $3,000 since the start of the week, trading in the $69,130 range, and is reacting to the daily FVG zone. We're examining the liquidity inflow and outflow for Bitcoin ETF funds. Here we can see that in the last 2 days, with risk appetite returning to financial markets, we've seen a positive inflow into these funds. We can also see the Fear and Greed Index, which with its increase is now at 34. The Fear and Greed Index is currently at its highest position compared to the last 7 days. Now we're examining the 4-hour time frame. In our last Bitcoin update, it was mentioned that the price had very good support in the 4-hour order block range and couldn't close a candle below this area. The support provided pushed the price up to the 4-hour FVG range, and in the last 2 days, we saw that the price couldn't gather enough strength to pass through this zone. Now, in the recent candle, we can see that Bitcoin broke this zone upwards with a powerful bullish candle and passed this resistance. With continued support for Bitcoin, we can expect this price growth to continue to the 4-hour BPR zone in the $70,000 range. For a better prediction, we'll examine the Bitcoin liquidity map. We see that as sell-side liquidity near the price, we'll have the $68,480 range. Also, the buy-side liquidity ahead of the price is the $69,500 zone and then $70,180. We're looking at the 1-hour time frame. Here we can see that the price has created a bullish structure by forming higher highs and higher lows. We can see the resistance range we mentioned in this area, which is currently considered one of the main sell-side zones as well. We can see that by breaking this area to the upside, the price has established a short-term bullish structure. Given the return of optimism and increased risk appetite in the crypto market, we can expect this upward trend to continue. The forecast we can have for Bitcoin's price movement going forward is that the price will reach internal liquidity after a short-term pullback. Once this liquidity is swept, it should move toward higher targets, such as the liquidity at the edge of the 1-hour fair value gap. This price prediction is contingent on the continued optimism regarding the end of the war. Good luck and stay profitable.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.